Okay, I got a good one for you guys today. So this is my 2007 Toyota 4Runner Limited two-wheel drive V6. I recently was having a no crank, no start, and could not figure out the issue. So I replaced the starter on this. It was, first off, I should say, it was a single click whenever I would turn the key, and I had all the lights in the inside of my dash on. The radio worked fine. Headlights wouldn't dim. I tested the voltage on the battery. Had just over 12.4, which is on the low end, but it should have been enough to turn the engine over. Should I replace the starter? I redid all these battery connections here, redid the positive and ground on the starter down there. Could not figure out how to get this. I checked all the fuses in here. All the fuses looked fine. And it was still just crank. It would have a single click, no start. And so I figured out that single click is the starter solenoid down here that's activating. So I knew it was getting power, and but it wasn't getting enough power to turn the starter solenoid. And so I determined that this positive wire that runs from your positive battery down to the starter down there somehow just kind of slowly got corroded down in this mess down here. And I literally went over to O'Reilly's, bought this cable, and just zip tied it on and ran it down to the starter down there. I'll zoom in on that. Yeah, you can see the other side of it right there on my positive. All you need is just to run a new line from your positive direct to your starter, and it'll start better than it's ever started before. But yeah, that's what caused it. I searched all kinds of forums, couldn't find any information on a single click no start. But yeah, that single click is from your starter solenoid, so it's connecting the circuit so that you have power to your starter. But if it's even if there's even half a quarter volt of resistance, like 0.2 volts resistance in the wire, it won't be able to start. Those starters are really, really sensitive. You gotta have minimum 12.3, 12.4 volts to get them to turn over. But yeah, just go on, buy an extra wire, and yeah, just zip tie it on with your other wire going down, and she'll fucking start right up.